A lot of people have been asking me how they can get their log drum or where they can locate their log drum in FL Studio, and that's very simple, you know. Well, but I understand how it is when you try to use from your samples, maybe a sample log drum, and it doesn't give you that full sound, or maybe it doesn't tone in well, it's not weighty, it's you can't get the groin, you can't tune it to get that groin sound, you know. So, but today I'm going to be showing you how or where you can get your log drum on FL Studio. So it's a very simple play. You just click the plus button, and we look for Fruity DX10. Fruity DX10. Yes. Then it's gonna open. So we go for the options, and here we have the log drum. Yes, this is the log drum. So yeah, nothing more. So right now, I'm happy you know where you can find it, so you stop going to use your start from your sample. So that's it. Thank you for joining and watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and drop a comment. Thank you very much.